sa injury ko na hyperextend. Hindi naman ako, ang inaalala ko lang is yung matamaan lang ulit. Siyempre, hindi naman ako yung maglalaro tapos yung hindi ko pinilit eh. Nag-recover talaga ako. Nakapag-practice ako ng 2 araw sa team, ng full practice talaga. So, hindi ako mag-iisi-isi ngayong game.
Hindi talaga siya nag-iisi-isi sa game na ito, si Paulie. Looks like, although the knee may not be fully pain-free at this point, he's playing really well so far. And yun na nga, titira ng 3 sa pag-umpisa ng ating 4th quarter. And on cue, pasok.
That's one of the favorite plays of Rain or Shine. When they move the ball to the side, and then they have a guy coming off a pick, using another big picker, usually a guy like Paulie or Jeff Chan, and just firing away. Pascual again, this time, however, not getting a good look, as he had to make a turnaround jump shot. Pushing it.
Madali itong Rainer Shine, pero nakababa naman ang depensa ng Kia Sorrento. So the effort to get back on defense in transition was there. 11:08 remaining. Jericho Cruz kicking to the corner. Top of the key, J.R. Quinahan. Jumper from 17. Pasok yan.
5-0 run here at the start of the 4th quarter. Up to a 21-point lead right now para sa Rain or Shine.
Yan ang pinakamalaking lamang for either team here in this ball game. Cyril Cervantes once again. Handing off to Padilla. Padilla's jumper, no go, and they're settling for outside shots and not getting any rebounds at all. Dehesa is hurt in the backcourt. Paulie streak. Pasok yan. And Paulie knew he was open. Wala ang kanyang tao. And Dehesa still there. Probably a sprained ankle. 17 points for Paulie.
Yes, 3 3-point shots converted in this ball game. Playing very little minutes actually.